Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Ro, and I'm here to help you navigate the exciting world of 3D printing. If you are new to this, you've probably been wondering, where do I even begin? Today's video is for you. I've noticed a lot of questions about choosing the right 3D printer, and I wanted to create this guide to help you get started. We'll explore different printer types, essential tools, and other important considerations to ensure a smooth and successful entry into 3D printing. So you're thinking about getting your first 3D printer. Welcome to the club. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand what you want to print. If your goal is to create functional objects like organizers or tools, FDM is the way to go. FDM printers, or fused deposition modeling, are known for their affordability and ability to print large, durable objects. They're perfect for projects like the popular Gridfinity system. Prices range from around $300 to $1,500 depending on the features and brand. To get started, you'll need filament, a deburring tool, and occasional replacement parts. While basic PLA filament is budget-friendly, exploring other materials like ABS or nylon can quickly increase costs. Top-rated brands like Bamboo Lab and Prusa offer excellent entry-level options. If you're passionate about intricate details like figurines or miniature models, or resin printers are the way to go. Resin excels at capturing fine details and intricate geometries at a small scale. If you're an artist or model maker seeking to create highly detailed pieces, resin printers should definitely be on your radar. However, this technology comes with some trade-offs. Resin printing can be messier than FDM, and it requires careful safety precautions. The initial investment goes beyond the printer itself. You'll need resin, cleaning solutions, a curing station, and essential safety gear like gloves and a respirator. Always prioritize safety when working with resin. It can be toxic if not handled properly. If you're ready to embrace the challenge, brands like Elegoo and Anycubic offer excellent entry-level resin printers. Before making your decision, consider your environment. 3D printers can take up significant space, so ensure you have adequate room and keep them out of reach of children and pets, as moving parts and hot surfaces can pose safety risks. They operate at high speeds and temperatures, so it's important to be mindful of safety. If you're considering materials like resin or carbon fiber, prioritize proper ventilation and wear appropriate safety gear. Another important factor is waste. While the 3D printing community is exploring recycling options, you'll inevitably generate some waste from packaging to unused filament and support structures. Finally, consider the time commitment. Learning to use a 3D printer takes time and effort. While simple prints are easy to achieve, more complex projects or custom designs will require experimentation and iterations. In summary, FDM printers are a fantastic starting point for most users, while resin printers shine for those seeking intricate details. Ultimately, the best printer for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and how much time you're willing to invest. It's important to remember that the initial purchase price is just the beginning. Ongoing costs, such as filament or resin and occasional replacement parts, will impact your budget and environmental footprint. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you want more tips, subscribe and follow for more beginner-friendly printing advice.